If you want to take your love of shawarma to the next level, making your own homemade shawarma is a great way to do it. Here is a step-by-step guide to making homemade shawarma that is sure to impress your family and friends. Ingredients: 1 pound, 450 grams of thinly sliced meat, chicken, beef, or lamb. 4 to 6 pita breads. 1 cup of shredded lettuce. 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. 1 cup of thinly sliced onions. 1 cup of sliced cucumber. 1/2 cup of plain yogurt. 1/4 cup of tahini sauce. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 2 cloves of minced garlic. Salt and black pepper to taste. Instructions. Begin by marinating the meat. In a large bowl, mix together the olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, salt, and black pepper. Add the thinly sliced meat to the bowl, and toss it with the marinade until it is fully coated. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap, and place it in the refrigerator to marinate for at least 30 minutes, or up to overnight for more flavor. While the meat is marinating, prepare the vegetables. Wash and chop the lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and cucumber, and set them aside in separate bowls. In a small bowl, mix together the yogurt and tahini sauce to make the shawarma sauce. Add salt and black pepper to taste, and set aside. Once the meat is done marinating, heat a skillet or grill pan over medium-high heat. Add the marinated meat to the pan, and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes on each side, or until fully cooked and slightly charred. While the meat is cooking, warm up the pita breads. You can do this by placing them in the oven for a few minutes or heating them up on a skillet. Assemble the shawarma. To do this, place a warm pita bread on a plate, and add a spoonful of the shawarma sauce onto the bread. Next, add some shredded lettuce, chopped tomatoes, sliced onions, and sliced cucumber. Finally, add a generous portion of the cooked meat on top of the vegetables. Wrap the shawarma. To do this, fold the bottom of the pita bread up, and then roll the sides inward to create a wrap. Use a toothpick to secure the wrap if needed. Repeat the process with the remaining pita breads and ingredients until all the shawarmas are assembled. Serve the shawarma immediately while it is still warm, and enjoy. Making homemade shawarma can be a bit time-consuming, but the end result is a delicious and satisfying meal that is perfect for a special dinner or weekend lunch. Don't be afraid to experiment with different sauces, vegetables, and meats to create your perfect shawarma recipe.